everyone, so today's video is going to be about how to change a flat tire. So it's pretty flat, it's all the way down. You know, sometimes us women, we think that we can't do something, but we actually can. We don't need a man for everything. So today I'm gonna show you how I change a flat tire. It's not my first time I do this. So first thing is you need to know where all your tools are. And so my spare tire is down here. And always remember righty tighty, lefty loosey.
So you grab it, you put it to the side.
And of course you're gonna get dirty. And always, ladies, always remember to check your spare tire and make sure it actually has air. The first time that I had to change my tire, I had a flat tire and a flat spare. So just make sure that doesn't happen to you. Your jack will be somewhere in your trunk. So it's gonna look something like this. Then you're gonna need this. So on this part over here of the car, there's a special spot that you have to put this in, okay? And it has directions down here. So there's one in the front and one in the back. So you want to do when it's right on it. So that way it doesn't move all stupid. And if you see, there's like an indent, so it goes directly on this. And then, now what you want to do, and if you haven't done this ever, of course it's gonna take a while to kind of figure out what tools you're working with. So of course the bolts are going to be hard to get off. So a long time ago, when I was younger, my brother, he actually showed me a trick. So you put it like that, and what I do, because it's obviously hard, I just put my weight on it. Voila. Got it. Now that you have the bolts loosened up, then you want to start lifting up the car all the way up. That way you can change the tire. Now that you have it high enough, then you start to take all of these off. And you don't want to do one, like if you do this one, you don't want to do this one. You want to go like across, just so it comes off evenly. So then you just grab it from here and you take it out. Put it on the side. You grab your spare tire. And then you just want to make sure that it's in the little holes. So you're gonna have to lift a little bit on this part. So it looks like it's not high enough. Let's put it up a little bit more. And there. And exactly how you took them off you want to do the same thing, okay? So then now to tighten it, then you just use the same thing. At this point, we'll just lower it. That way the wheel doesn't spin. Alright, so there you go. It's all the way down. Alright, so just like how I took it off, putting my weight on it, now I'm going to make sure that it's on there using my weight. Alright, and that's how you change a tire. And that's how your hands look after you work on your car. You know, you're probably thinking, well, I can just call AAA or call my boyfriend, call my husband, call a friend or whatever. But what if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere? You have no service. You're gonna have to do this. So make sure you have everything that you need in your car and you should be fine. I will see you on my next video. Just kidding. So if you like this video, please like it, share it if somebody needs it, and like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!